Okay guys, today we're going to show you guys what we bought for a Valentine's Day gift we're going to make. And Pita's going to show you. Okay, Pita, take out the stuff from the bag. See what Mommy bought.
Oh, it's Santa.
What is this?
Santa.
They're hearts.
Hearts. Oh, wow.
And all this stuff we got at the Dollar Tree.
What's that?
What is this? Show the camera. Show it to the camera. Not too close. What are these? They're hearts.
How hearts?
See?
Heart.
Show it to the camera.
Heart.
We bought these foam glittered hearts.
Yes, heart.
We're going to make a gift for her great grandma.
Yes.
What else do you have in there?
Hearts.
More hearts.
What's that?
And what's that?
1, 2, 3, 5.
These are just stamps I got for her so she could play with. And I thought we would do something like this for Valentine's Day because she always wants to be getting into my crafts anyway, so I thought I'd do something that she could have fun also with. And then show them what we got at Hobby Lobby. What is that? Got some stickers.
Oh, tape.
And we got this thing here. It's like a heart frame and it stands.
Oh, yes.
And these are paints.
Oh, tape.
Acrylic paints.
Oh, I got it. Circles.
These are hearts too. I mean, we bought a lot of hearts.
Oh, 2.
It's a receipt. And what else do you have in the bag?
Ma?
That's it? Oh, okay. That's all we got.
Listen.
So,
Open.
you want to open it?
Yes.
You can open it.
Okay. Watch. Open. Open.
Okay, hold on. So, we're going to try to do something cute on this little frame. But for now, this is just a little... Oh, she's already opening everything over there. She's ready.
Hey, look.
What color is that?
Purple.
Oh,
It's pink.
pink. Good job.
It's pink.
What else do you have over there? Oh. What other colors do you have there? Let me see what else do you have in there.
It's green. It's green, Mom.
What color is that?
Green.
Red.
Red.
It's red.
It's pink.
Pink, yeah.
It's pink. What's here? It's brown.
That's white.
Oh, white. Much.
Wow.
This one. Okay. Take that one.
I'm gonna open it.
Wow, thank you, Mom.
So I'm just kind of letting her play with this stuff, and then later we'll actually get working on this little thing. But she's just curious right now. What are those?
Circles.
They're hearts. Look at the shape. And that's my son you hear. He wants to play too. Wow, that is pretty. You want to open those already?
That's stickers.
Stickers. And all the stuff that we got from Hobby Lobby was 40% off. And, well, everything from the Dollar Tree is obviously gone. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and stop this video here. And I'm going to set it up so we can start decorating this. And we'll see what we can come up with. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Okay, so first thing I'm going to let her stamp this heart. Mommy helps you? You will just focus on this side of the heart.
Mommy, I broke it.
You opened it?
Yeah, I opened it. Oh.
You're gonna stamp this, okay?
Oh.
See what she's doing. I just lined the... Oh, nice. Mommy helps you?
No, happy.
Can I do one?
That one.
Look, this one's a heart.
It's hard.
Oh, this one's not that great. See, try another one. Car with a heart. So I'm just gonna let her stamp it, and then we're gonna use acrylic paints so that I just want her to, make something that her grandma can have that was made by her. What's her great grandma, actually? My husband's grandma.
Oh.
It doesn't work?
No.
Oh, try another one.
Uh-oh. So, it's pink.
Yeah, pink.
Uh-oh. Slime.
You can use your finger, Pita, with this one.
Oh.
Grab it and paint it. Use your finger. No, use your finger, Mommy. Not like that. With your finger. Wow.
What's the head?
Slowly.
Uh-oh. What?
It's okay.
Uh-oh.
And here, Mommy. It looks like a bloody mess.
It's pink.
Wow, Pita.
I like it.
Here, I help you. I would give her a brush, but she always likes to make a mess out of things, so I'd let her get a little dirty. And plus, I thought it'd be cute for her little fingers to be the ones that did the artwork on the heart. Who are we gonna make this gift for? Who's this for? It's for Grandma. Say Grandma.
Papa.
Grandma.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there goes her. Careful. I guess she really likes that spot there.
No, okay. Mommy.
I'm gonna give her some of these stickers.
Stickers. Thank you, Mom.
Put them on the heart. Oh, it's pretty. Put them all the way around. I'm just gonna let her put them wherever she wants.
Sure.
No, not on me. Put it on that.
Scissors.
Thank you. Can mommy put one?
Mine. Yes.
Oh, can I put one here?
Yes.
Hey guys, so I'm just sharing with you guys the final product of the little Valentine's Day project my daughter and I were working on. As you can see, this is the side that she worked on. I just went ahead and let her use her little fingers to paint it as she wished. And then she also added the little hearts, which these I got at Michael's, like I said. No, Hobby Lobby, I'm sorry. And yeah, so what I did, I just added the little rhinestones in between just to give a little sparkle, but the rest of it she did on her own. And then I covered the base with a it's like a glitter ribbon, and then I put this trim at the edge of the heart so that it didn't look so plain. So this is what she did. And then on the other side I went ahead and painted it red, and then she put a little handprint on it for her great grandma. And I wanted to give you guys a tip for this. I did do a couple of practice runs on some other paper just to make sure that you know, it came out as nice as it possibly could. So first of all, I painted this red, right? And then I was doing her hand with I was applying the paint with a brush. And when she would put the handprint on the paper, it would just leave like little streaks. I guess it wasn't coming off right because I was leaving streaks without paint because of the brush. But my sister, she's like, hello, use your finger to put the paint on her hand so it could really you know, mark her little hand. So that's what I did. And yeah, so that's it. And we had fun doing this, as well as it was a little stressful like, because she's a toddler and she wanted to do things she wasn't supposed to with a paint and stuff like that. But I thought this was a neat gift that she could put her little hands on, and I think her great grandma would really appreciate it. And yeah, I hope this inspires some of y'all's Valentine's Day gift ideas, and also get your kids involved in crafts, arts and crafts, because I know my daughter, she's always trying to get into my things. Well, doesn't try, she actually gets into them and makes a mess. But this is what her and I came up with, and it's very simple, but I think it has a lot of thought, and her great grandma's gonna love it. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. We'll see y'all.